Good morning, children. Welcome back to your social class with your social teacher Lakshna. Children, what we have learnt in our previous class? Yes, we have learnt about our home. And what is our home, children? The planet Earth. Yes, it is the only planet which supports the life. And we also have learned that Earth is having two main features, the land and water. Yes. And what is the percentage of land on the earth, children? 29%. And what is the percentage of water? 71%. So, the earth is made up of this land and water. These two main features we find on the earth. And children, the land part which we see on the earth, it's known as continents. And the water part which we can see on the earth are the oceans. The land surfaces are the continents and the water bodies are the oceans. So today we are going to learn about the continents and oceans. We are going to learn about continents and oceans. Children, the continents and oceans, these are the two main features of the earth. And how can we see these continents and oceans together on the earth? It's with the help of a model of the earth. And what is the model of the earth, children? It's the globe. What is the model of the earth, children? Globe. The globe is the miniature model of the earth. Miniature means small model of the earth. And it shows the exact picture of the earth. It shows the earth as a whole. The whole earth can be seen on the globe, children. So the globe is a miniature model of the earth. And this globe, it shows the two main features like land surfaces and water bodies, and also the shape of the earth. What is the shape of the earth, children? The shape of the earth is round. And who proved that the earth is round? It is an explorer. His name is Ferdinand Magellan. Okay. This explorer, Ferdinand Magellan, he went round a voyage. Voyage is a journey by ship. So, when he went for a voyage, he reached the same place where he started his journey. So, that proved that earth is round. And not only that, children, the astronauts. Who are the astronauts? The people who go into the space. So, these astronauts, when they went into the space, they have taken the pictures of the earth. And from the space, the earth exactly looks like a sphere. Sphere means like a ball. Okay, so now the globe, it shows us the shape of the earth as well as the two features, the land surface and the water bodies of the earth. Okay, so children, the land surface which we see on the earth are continents. So how we can describe continents? Continents are very large continuous stretches of land. Very large continuous stretches of land are known as continents. And there are 7 continents. How many, children? There are 7 continents. And these continents are shown on the globe using the green or brown color. Which color? Mostly the green color. Okay. On the globe, when you see, you can observe the green color. So this green color parts which you can see, notice on the globe are the continents. And continents are the very large continuous stretches of land. And there are 7 continents. How many, children? There are 7 continents. Let us see what are those 7 continents. Okay. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Once again, children, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Asia is the largest continent in the world, and the India, our country, it also lies in the Asia continent. Our country India also lies in the Asia continent. And this Asia continent, it is surrounded by water or oceans on three sides. Asia, it is surrounded by water on three sides. Okay, on the east by Pacific Ocean, on the south by Indian Ocean, and on the north by the Arctic Ocean. On the east by Pacific Ocean, on the south by Indian Ocean, and on the north by the Arctic Ocean. And the smallest continent is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. It is also known as the island continent, children. It is known as the island continent. Island means a land covered with water on all the sides. So Australia is surrounded by water on all the sides. So it is known as an island continent. So there are 7 continents, children. What are they? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Asia is the largest continent. Australia is the smallest continent. Now coming to the oceans. Very large water bodies on the earth are known as oceans. Very large water bodies on the earth are known as oceans. And there are 5 oceans. 5 main oceans. And what are those 5 main oceans? Let us see. The Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Once again, children, Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Antarctic or the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. These are the 5 main oceans on the earth. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean in the world. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean in the world. Whereas the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean on the earth. So children, here we have learnt about continents and oceans. And where we can see these continents and oceans? On the earth. Yes or no? And how we can see? With the help of a model of the earth. And what is that model, children? Globe. And whenever we are talking about a globe, the word globe, it has been taken from a Latin word. The word globe, it has been taken from a Latin word globus. It is globus. Globus means, which is round, mass or sphere. Globus means round, mass or sphere. The word globe has been taken from a Latin word globus, which means round, mass or sphere. Yes, children. And we find the world's largest globe. The world's largest globe. Its name is Eartha. What is its name, children? Eartha. And we find this world's largest globe in Yarmouth Mine. In Yarmouth Mine. And the weight of this globe is 2,500 kgs. How much, children? 2,500 kgs. And children, these continents and oceans, they are shown on the globe using different colors. They are shown on the globe using different colors. What are those? Green and blue. Okay. Green for the continents, blue for the oceans. Okay. So, now we will recap what we have learnt in this class today. Children, we have learnt about the globe. What is a globe? The globe is a miniature model of the earth and it shows the earth as a whole. It shows the surface of the earth and the two main features like land and the water of the earth. So the very large continuous stretches of land is known as a continent. The very large continuous stretches of land are known as continents, and very large water bodies are known as oceans. So these continents and oceans, they are shown on the globe. And this word globe, it is taken from a Latin word globus. It is taken from a Latin word globus, which means round mass or sphere. Which means round mass or sphere. Sphere means it's like a ball, children. Yes. So here, for the continents, the green color is used on the globe, and for the oceans, the blue color is used. And there are 7 continents and 5 oceans on the earth. What are those, children? Yes. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Asia, it is the largest continent in the world, and our country, India, it lies in the Asia continent. This Asia continent, it is surrounded on 3 sides with oceans. On the east by Pacific, on the south by Indian, and on the north by the Arctic Ocean. And our country India lies in which continent, children? It's in Asia. And in Asia, our country lies to the southern part of Asia. It lies in the southern part of the Asia continent. Australia is the smallest continent. Australia, it is the smallest continent, and it is also known as the island continent. It is also known as island continent. Yes, children. So, we also have learnt about oceans. What are these oceans? Oceans are very large water bodies. Yes, and there are 5 main oceans on the earth. What are those 5 main oceans, children? The Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Antarctic or Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. It is the smallest ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean, whereas the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. And children, we can remember these 5 oceans with the help of acronym PAISA. P-A-I-S-A. P for Pacific, A for Atlantic, I for Indian, S for Southern, and A for Arctic. I repeat, P for Pacific, A for Atlantic, I for Indian, S for Southern, and A for Arctic. In this way, we can remember the 5 oceans. So children, in today's class, we have learned about globe, the continents and oceans. And we also have learned about the world's largest globe. What is its name? Earth. And where is it located, children? It's in Yarmouth Mine. And what is the weight of this globe, children? It's 2,500 kgs. And this globe, it rotates same as our planet Earth. So children, I hope you have understood the continents and oceans in today's class, and we will meet with the new concepts of the same lesson in the next class. Thank you.